Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tash, and today I'll be doing a dramatic eye. I'm really feeling the color neon today, so I'm gonna go into my palette. It's gonna be very quick because it's supposed to go with this hairstyle for a video. So I'm like, why don't I just incorporate it in this video? So I have on my foundation prime, my eyebrows are did, the whole shebang. My eyebrows aren't that perfect. When I'm showing you the eye look, you're gonna see that they're not that perfect because I need to do them. But let's get into this look. So my palette is NXY Blue Y, and it just looks like this. Oh, my phone is dying. So I'm just gonna be using this shade right here, and I'm just gonna apply it to my crease, and I'm gonna fade it in the back. So just like that. So this is what my eyes looking like. So I'm going for a very bold neon look, so I'm gonna go back into my palette, and I'm gonna, because this color right now has a little shimmer to it, so I'm gonna go in for a matte neon green. So I'm going to be using this shade right here, and I'm gonna just pat that on to my lid, as well as I'm going to diffuse it into the green that's already on my eyes. So I'm going in, and I'm gonna just bring it right there. So it's gonna be patted on right at the front of my eyes. This shade right here, and I'm gonna go ahead, or should I use the green? You know what, I'm gonna use the green right here since we're in that green vibe. And I'm just going to take my mirror and pat it onto my lid. Just dab. I wanted to give my eyes a little bit more dimension, so I'm gonna go in with the brown that's also in this palette. I'm just really trying to build the product. So the product is evenly distributed also all across the eyelid. You don't want patches or any uneven tones and stuff like that. You gotta go in blend. All right, we're not looking bad, but we're not looking our best yet. Okay, so I'm gonna go into the same palette. I'm gonna use this brown right here, and I'm just going to diffuse it into my crease. So the thing is, I really want to create dimension in my eyes. Like, the look that I was going for was something more of a neon, but I need to get me like a palette with better colors. I need a pigmented palette, like real pigmented. right, my eyes, they look a bit together now, just a bit. So I'm gonna go in and blend some more, because you know you gotta make sure that it's blended. I'm looking at my face and I have to laugh because my eye look like I did the bottom lashes, but it's just the residue from the top. So this is what my eyes look like. So I'm just going to, as for now, I feel like I need to add a little bit more the shimmer color to my lid, because I feel like more is on the bottom lid than on the top. I like experimenting palettes, and I like to support, you know, businesses, especially black owned. But if the products aren't worth it, I won't recommend them. And some of these videos that I'm doing, if I'm using the makeup and you know the products aren't it, I don't, sometimes the look will look good and all of that, but I'll just use it for a video, just for that, and that's it. So now I'm going to diffuse. I'm gonna put on my liner, and I'm gonna think about how I'm gonna diffuse the bottom lid. I think I want to go with something dramatic at the bottom, but I think I'll probably put a little brown. I think I should just put brown. I think I should just put me some brown down there. That's what I'm gonna do. Put some brown. This won't be the only shade, but it's to give the eye an intense look. Okay. All right, intense, intense, intense. Okay, and then I'm gonna go back into my palette, and I'm going to use this little teeny brush right here, and I'm going to go for the dark green, and I'm just gonna try to put that under my eyes. The thing is, this palette ain't working for me, so let me check out this palette over here. I think I want like I want a dark green. I want a dark green. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna have to roll with this green right here. It's like the darkest in the palette that I have. So I'm just gonna add it to part of my waterline, just part of it. Or I should just put it all the way underneath. I'm just gonna put it all the way underneath. Let me move this tape a little bit. I haven't done my liner yet, so I'm not moving it come. So I need to diffuse it. So I'm just gonna go in and diffuse the color under my eyes. So guys, I'm just currently setting my face. I'm gonna let that sit for a little second, and I'm just going to go in. Okay, it's coming together. So now I need to put on my highlighter and contour. So let's get. And guys, this is the finished look. My hair that I did. I just did a little swoop to do, you know, no major. My eyes. So thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Until next time, stay sweet and be blessed. God loves you. Okay, all right, have a good day.